più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adugino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adugino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I make bruschetta. In Italian way, they say makanan pemula. Let's check. Bahan-bahannya apa aja? Let's go. Tomat pilih yang warnanya merah. Terserah mau lokal, mau impor. Yang jelas yang good quality. Garam, basil or peso, garlic, parmesan, and extra virgin oil. Bread, can you use brown bread or white bread? Okay, let's step by step. Garlic, bawang putih dicincang,
This is the first step.
yes. The second step, tomat cincang, but you can clean about the water. Cincang, okay. Sedikit garam.
Basil, you prepare or after?
Extra virgin oil.
Bagus, enak. The best extra virgin. From Italy, extra virgin.
Yes. And I give peso or basil. I buy fresh basil. Sometimes in the supermarket have basil dry. Basil cincang.
You prepare just now basil because if you cut before they go hitam. So at the moment, bruschetta ready, basil ready, right?
Directly. Alright.
Okay.
Okay. Tomato. Then roti dibakar di oven atau 5 menit cukup.
Also you put the oil first and then a little bit later on too.
Yap. Biar rotinya sedikit crispy. Okay. I open.
So two kind of the bread, eh?
Yes.
Putih.
Or broad.
So now next step, the putih, the white bread.
Yeah, because some people not like with.
Yummy. I wait so long, I need to try.
Setelah dipanasin, rotinya ditaruhin mozzarella. Oke. Sekarang dikasih tomat di atasnya. Sebetulnya rotinya terserah roti apa aja bisa. Mau yang putih,
So this one ready to heat.
yes.
Right?